Okay, welcome to this video about constructing a perpendicular line from a point on a line. So we've got point A here, and what I'm aiming to do is construct a perpendicular line through A. So perpendicular to the line I've already got. If I just call this line PQ, then the instruction would be draw a line. Before I carry on with that, let's be specific, not just any old line. Draw a line through A that is perpendicular to PQ. Now to do this, if you've watched the video about perpendicular bisector, or you know how to draw a perpendicular bisector, what we're essentially doing is trying to create that situation. And the first way to do that is by putting our compass in A, extending it out, and just getting 2 points that essentially we create 2 extra points where A is their midpoint. Now what we can then do is take these 2 new points, if I stick the compass in, and I'm going to extend it. If you remember perpendicular bisector, extend it just over halfway, and then we can draw in an arc up here without changing the size, an arc underneath, moving it over to our other point there. Do the same thing, move the wrong thing there, so don't worry, you won't be able to move your lines on your piece of paper. And the same at the bottom. And what I've done there is, so A was our original point, I've created 2 points that are the same distance either side of it, and doing that I've then created my perpendicular bisector of the 2 points I've created. What that allows us to do is then draw in a line, and those 2 points you should find that you've created there, create a line that goes through A and should be 90 degrees to it. Let's have a check. So I've just taken out my compass, line it up on the middle here. I'll need to line it up with PQ, and you should see that that there is 90 degrees. So we have achieved what we set out to do. A perpendicular line, perpendicular to PQ, going through A. Once again, best thing to do with these, create a line, put a point on it, and see if you can reproduce the same thing. Best of luck.